The Simplicity offers the latest in cutting-edge microelectronics, cosmetics, and comfort. During this brief video, we will demonstrate how to operate, wear, and properly maintain your new device. Please refer to the instruction manual for additional information regarding the use of the Simplicity device. Before you start using your Simplicity, let's get familiar with the various operating components. The retention cord, the sound port with dome flex tip, the ear hook micro tube, the microphone port, the memory select button, and the battery door. Your Simplicity instrument comes with everything necessary for you to start experiencing a new world of hearing right away. The Deluxe presentation case, size number 10 zinc air batteries, the magnetic cleaning tool with brush, the instruction manual, and the quick start video you're currently watching. Now that you're familiar with the Simplicity and its accessories, let's learn how to use it. We recommend that whenever you install a new battery, to do so over a towel. This prevents the battery from rolling away should it be accidentally dropped. Remove the battery from its packaging and peel off the paper activation tab. Notice that the flat side of the battery has a plus sign stamped on it. Hold the Simplicity device on its side between your thumb and forefinger and carefully swing open the battery door. Insert the battery so that the plus sign stamped on the battery is facing you. Due to the small size of the battery, you may find it easier to install the battery by using the magnetic tip on the brush. Once the battery is installed, gently close the battery door. If the battery is installed incorrectly, the battery door will not close. To ensure your Simplicity is functioning properly, let's conduct a simple sound test. When performing a sound test, remember that there will be a 3-second delay after you close the battery door. This design allows time for you to insert the device without feedback. Gently cup the device in your hand and hold it close to your ear and wait approximately 3 seconds. You should now hear a high-pitched sound called feedback. If you don't hear anything, check to ensure that the battery is installed correctly and that the door is fully closed. If you don't hear any whistling, then you may need to try a fresh battery. If there's no whistling noise, technical support is available at 877-763-8327. Proper insertion of the device is essential to receive the full benefit and comfort of your Simplicity. Each device is identified by either a blue or a red-colored mark at the base of the sound port. Red for your right ear and blue for your left. To insert the device, hold the ear hook tubing between your thumb and forefinger. Use the right hand for inserting the right device and the left hand for inserting the left device. With the sound port pointed towards your ear canal, insert the sound port dome into your ear canal and gently push it into place with your forefinger. You may need to use another hand to gently pull the top of your ear while doing this. Once the sound dome is inserted into the ear canal, place the body just behind the top of the ear and slip the retention cord into the base of the ear. If you hear a whistling sound feedback, gently push on the device to ensure that it's properly seated. When correctly installed, this is the way the Simplicity will look in your ear. To remove the Simplicity from your ear, simply grasp the tubing between your thumb and forefinger and slowly pull it out while you're lifting it over the ear. Your Simplicity device features pre-programmed digital circuitry and offers 4 different memory selections. Once the battery is installed, the device automatically starts in Program 1 and will default back to that program every time the battery door is opened. To increase the level of sound enhancement, gently depress the memory select button and release. You'll hear a beep tone indicating the current program selection. For instance, 1 beep indicates Program 1, 2 beeps indicates Program 2, and this continues in the same manner for Programs 3 and 4. Your Simplicity device represents revolutionary advancements in personal communications. It should provide you with a reliable service life. However, routine maintenance is needed to keep it operating at peak efficiency. Each evening, wipe the device clean with a soft tissue or a small towel. If needed, use the cleaning tool to clear the sound port of any blockage. To use the cleaning tool, simply insert the filament end of the tool into the sound port of the sound port dome. Push in and out while using a slight twisting motion several times. When not in use, we recommend that you open the battery door and store your device in the soft travel pouch, and please keep out of the reach of children and pets. Keep your Simplicity away from heat sources such as hair dryers or car glove compartments. Do not wear your Simplicity while showering or swimming, and avoid getting hairspray on it. Should you experience any operating problems with the Simplicity, refer to the owner's manual for proper troubleshooting tips, or technical support is available at 877-763-8327. Simplicity will not restore your hearing. However, Simplicity can enhance your hearing ability in numerous day-to-day situations. Try to wear your Simplicity device every day. We think you'll find that Simplicity brings an enriched quality of life through better hearing.